Hi, I'd like to tell you more about our 100-watt slim GaN LED driver reference design featuring greater than 92% efficiency. This reference design, DER-1038, is a 24-volt CV output LED driver with flicker-free performance. It's intended for space-constrained residential and commercial lighting applications. This design has no heatsink, which is made possible by using an easy-to-design flyback power stage implemented with our InnoSwitch 4QR GaN switcher. This streamlines the design process when compared to complex half-bridge LLC implementations that require a resonant tank. Some of the end applications in lighting include LED strip lights and linear luminaires. The front-end power factor correction stage is implemented with our Hyper-PFS4 product. This product incorporates a CCM PFC controller and a 600 volts power switch. This device implements lossless current sensing and eliminates the need for external current sense resistors. This front-end power stage delivers a 400 volts output voltage while maintaining greater than 0.95 power factor and less than 10% THD across AC line. The downstream isolated power stage is implemented with our InnoSwitch 4QR GaN switcher, which incorporates the primary controller, 750 volts PowiGaN switch, FluxLink feedback, the SR driver, and the secondary controller in a 24-pin low-profile package. In addition to supporting best-in-class power conversion efficiency, InnoSwitch 4QR can also be easily configured to support CV or CC output, along with dimming controls such as 0 to 10 volts, PWM, or DALI. The high power conversion efficiency eliminates the need for heat sinks while enabling high ambient temperature operation up to 55 degrees C. This is essential for the design as these devices may be installed in walls, ceilings, and other locations with limited space. If you would like to evaluate this board, please contact your local FAE or sales office. And to learn more about PFS4 or InnoSwitch 4QR, please visit power.com.